In this video, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 to hotel Wi-Fi using your phone, so you can stay online while traveling without any interruptions. Before we start, you can also check out the NordVPN link in the description. It's a great VPN that's fast, secure, and works on PS5, PC, mobile, and smart TVs, keeping your connection private while you stream or play online from anywhere. If you've ever tried connecting your PS5 directly to hotel Wi-Fi, you've probably noticed it often fails. Most hotel networks require you to log in through a web page, but the PS5 doesn't always open that login page automatically. Even using PlayStation Network status or the user guide web browser options sometimes doesn't work. That's why using your phone to authenticate the connection is usually the easiest and most reliable method. Here's how to do it step by step. First, on your PS5, go to Settings, then Network, and select Set up Internet Connection. You'll see your hotel Wi-Fi listed under Available Networks, but don't connect yet. Next, turn on your phone's hotspot and connect your PS5 to it. Don't worry, you won't use much data. This step is just to open a web browser on your console. Once connected, open the Messages tab on your PS5 and send yourself a message with a clickable web link, such as Google or any site you can use to launch the browser. Click the link to open the PS5 web browser. Press Options on your controller and pin the browser to the side of the screen so it stays deep visible while you switch back to network settings. Now, go back to network settings, select your hotel Wi-Fi and attempt to connect. It will likely fail, and that's normal. Your PS5 still needs to authenticate through the hotel's login portal. Press the PlayStation button twice to switch to the pinned web browser. The page should refresh automatically and take you to the hotel's login screen. Enter the required details, such as your name, email, and accept any terms or conditions. Once submitted, the hotel Wi-Fi will authenticate your console. After completing the login, your PS5 will connect to the hotel network. You can close the pinned web browser, and your connection will remain active even if you restart your console. Now you can access online games, streaming apps, and all PS5 online features without any interruptions. This method works on most hotel networks and ensures a smooth, reliable connection without guessing or repeatedly retrying logins. If a network doesn't authenticate immediately, just repeat the steps, and it should work. And here's a bonus tip. While you're traveling, using a VPN like NordVPN can add an extra layer of security. NordVPN encrypts your connection, hides your IP address, and lets you safely access content or apps that might be restricted in certain countries. It's perfect for PS5, mobile, and all your devices. So, that's exactly how you connect your PS5 to hotel Wi-Fi using your phone. Use your messages to open a browser, authenticate the hotel login, and stay connected anywhere you travel. Check the link in the description to try NordVPN. It's an easy, safe way to keep your PS5 and other devices secure while streaming or gaming, even on hotel networks.